Hello friends, welcome to Medley. Hope you're doing fantastic. Today I'm going to show my new kitchen addition, Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. Let me first unbox it. It has a manual both in English and French languages and a pamphlet that has the customer service information. A few months back I gifted this model to my friend, and recently Cuisinart has discontinued it and they have slightly upgraded it by replacing the masher with a chopper, but rest of the parts are the same. Luckily, I found one unopened piece in Facebook Marketplace for a better deal. The original price of this model was $50 and I got it for $35. Right now there is a very good offer in Amazon and I am leaving the link in the description. If you like, you may purchase through the link. This is the storage bag. A whisk for beating eggs, heavy cream, and this is the plastic beaker and it can hold 3 cups, that is 750 ml. This is the detachable blending shaft and it comes with a storage cover. The storage cover is very essential to avoid accidents, especially with kids around. And this is the potato masher, made out of BPA plastic, so it's harmless to use. This one is detachable gearbox to hold the whisk. Another attachment for attaching the potato masher with the main unit. And this is the main unit. It has 2 buttons, lock and unlock button, and this one is the on and off button. Let me show you how to use this along with a quick demo. If you have to use the whisk, take this gearbox attachment and snap. That's it. For removing, we have to just pull it away. Attaching anything to the main unit, we have to press this button and then insert. That's it got locked. If you just press this on button, it doesn't work. So we have to press both the lock and the on off button together, only then it starts working. That's it. See, it's as simple as that. Just press this button, that's it, it comes away. So similarly, pull this away, it comes. This handle is very comfortable and also has variable speed control with LED lights. So next comes the masher. If we have to use the masher, we have to use this attachment. What you do is put it inside. This is unlocked, this is locked. So we have to hear this. So again, follow the same procedure to attach. Just press this button and we are done. So press both the lock and the operation button. It works. That's it. So same way, detach, unlock it, remove this attachment. Let me show you how to use the blender. The blade is very sharp, so always remember to have the storage cover on when you're not using to prevent any accidents. It can be directly attached to the main unit. If you want to blend any dips, purees or chutneys, you can use the beaker to blend it. Just keep it at a height and you will be able to blend it. That's it. I like the Smart Stick blender a lot, mainly because of the price. For $50, we have 3 different options to use, and now they have replaced this masher with a chopper. Since I already have a chopper, I was keen in getting just the blender and whisk. When we attach this hand blender with the main unit, it becomes too long. So that is one thing which I'm not very happy about, but otherwise it does a wonderful job. Right now there is a $12 coupon for this variable speed motor on Amazon. Otherwise you can buy another model which has only 2-level speed for just $56. I'm leaving the link to both the products in the description for your reference. I'll also show you how I use this hand blender to blend the soup as well as the whisker. The soup is very hard, so I'm going to insert the blender directly and blend it. Previously I used to cool down the soup, then blend in a mixer and then reheat. But this Cuisinart blender comes very handy. We can just blend the soup while it is still hot. Just remember one thing, don't blend too close to the base, it might create extra pressure. Also don't blend at the surface level because the liquid will spill all over the place. Just 2 minutes, it's all nicely done, smooth and creamy. While removing, ensure to properly press this button and safely remove. Also wash gently as the blade is very sharp. I'm using this whisk to make some buttercream. I'll share the detailed recipe of the buttercream and the special cake I'm making in my next video. Hope you like this video. Do hit on the like and subscribe buttons. I'll meet you soon in another video. Until then, bye bye.